Attention span, a groundbreaking way to restore balance, happiness, and productivity. Renowned researcher Gloria Mark delves into the impact of digital technologies on our ability to focus and maintain attention. She argues that our constant exposure to screens and distractions has fragmented our attention spans, leading to increased stress, decreased productivity, and a sense of disconnection from the present moment. Key points: the myth of multitasking. Mark debunks the myth of multitasking, revealing that our brains are not wired to effectively handle multiple tasks simultaneously. Switching between tasks constantly actually drains our cognitive resources, leading to errors and reduced efficiency. The rise of the attention economy. Mark highlights the role of technology companies in capturing and monetizing our attention. Platforms and apps are designed to be addictive, constantly vying for our attention through notifications, alerts, and endless content feeds. The importance of big mind and little mind. Mark introduces the concept of big mind focused attention and little mind automatic, habitual responses. To regain control of our attention, we need to cultivate big mind through mindfulness practices and intentional task management, while also recognizing and reducing the triggers that activate little mind. The path to regaining control. The book offers practical strategies for reclaiming our attention spans and building healthier relationships with technology. These include setting boundaries for screen time, creating focused work environments, practicing mindfulness, and engaging in activities that nourish big mind, like spending time in nature or pursuing creative hobbies. Impact and significance. Attention span is a timely and crucial read in our increasingly digital world. It provides a compelling explanation for our declining attention spans and offers actionable steps for regaining control. By understanding the science behind our attention and implementing Mark's strategies, readers can cultivate a calmer, more productive, and fulfilling way of living in the age of information overload. Please like and subscribe to our channel Ideas to Inspire for more inspirational content. Thank you.